quite an occasion. Yes.
Freeport-McMoran Baghdad operations experienced quite an occasion in November. 2 native-born great horned owls were returned and released to the Bridle Creek Habitat Enhancement Area on the edge of town. Here's the story.
Back in April, we received a call from our engineering services group. They were working on the demolition of a water flush crusher we had on site that had been inactive for several years. And they had reports of an owl as well as some owlets, or the chicks, the great horned owl chicks. So we had gone out there to investigate, and while we were looking around, we also found some common ravens in a nest.
We contacted Liberty Wildlife and also acquired a permit for removal of the owls. And we had Liberty Wildlife come on property and worked with them to remove the owls.
We received that permit and we set a date for Liberty Wildlife to come up and help us collect those birds. And they did successfully collect 2 owlets as well as a couple raven chicks and take them back to their facility in Phoenix to be raised by foster parents.
Liberty Wildlife's mission or purpose is to give wildlife a second chance. When they're injured or orphaned, they come to us and we heal them and we feed them and we hopefully can release them and they have another chance at life to, be the birds that they are meant to be. So.
During the time they did their rehabilitation time there, they learned how to hunt and how to feed and how to fly, and that was done by foster parents there in the facility. And they were brought back here to the Bridle Creek area where we released them on about a week or so ago in mid-November.
Early in November, Liberty Wildlife contacted us and let us know that the owls were ready to be released. They were able to survive on their own. And so we set a date, and November 15th, they actually brought the owls up to us. It was later in the evening, since they are a nocturnal bird, to be released here in the Bridle Creek Habitat area. So Hugh and I were able to actually let those birds go here in this area. Most people don't get to see these birds up close, so when you actually are able to hold those birds and look at them that close, they're really gorgeous birds. It's really cool to be able to see them that close up. So being able to hold them and look at them, and then actually being able to let them go and know that they're finally free and going to be successful in a habitat like this, we hope. So it's a really cool feeling.
We're here in Bridle Creek, which is a 27-acre riparian area. And this was a good area for the owls to be released in. There's plenty of woodland area and food, which mice and so forth that are around that they can feed on. So it was a very good area for them to be released in.
One of the really important aspects of Bridle Creek is it's actually right on the edge of the town of Baghdad. So one of the main points of this project is an educational area, so we can have community members, students, kids, anybody down here learning about the habitat, the wildlife that we have in the area, all the different aspects of the ecosystem. So we try to get groups like the Girl Scouts and Boy Scouts down here to do some service projects with us. We're working with the school to do different grant projects to hopefully get some funding for some more education facilities down here.